Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with dedicated app. In the beginning, on your PC, let's go to Microsoft Store. Download GameSir Nexus. Sorry, not GameSir Nexus, download GameSir Connect. Once GameSir Connect is downloaded, make sure that your controller is turned on and paired with the PC. It can be paired via Bluetooth, cable or USB dongle. Open the app and select your Super Nova. If you can't connect it, what I mean, you press it and it don't open, turn the controller off, turn it on, and it should automatically open. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.